12-piece wooden Burr puzzle, heart shape. Take apart, it's always easy. We just need to find a piece that can move freely. No, we just push on the piece until we find something that can move. Let's see, this one. Already one piece. Let's see, yes, this can move. This move. Okay, that's the easy part. If we take a closer look at the piece, we have this too big one. We have also this two piece. We have, let's see, this two piece. No, this one. Okay. Alors, we have this small piece. This piece. We have one piece like that, and for this two piece, this one can come also apart. Like you can see the piece. Alors, this piece, if I take the curve, go like that, you can see this is not the same as this one. Alors, this one comes with this. No, we need put back. No, that's really easy. We have the curve. No, I'm going to take this two big piece and this two piece. This piece going on the top here, this one here. Next, I'm going to take this small piece, and the small piece going here. Next, this big piece go on the top of the other one. I'm going to rotate the puzzle and keep the shape of the heart like that. Very important. Next piece will be this. I'm going to take this one and I slide the piece. I do the same with this one on the other side. Slide the piece like that. Okay, next I'm going to try to escape here. I'm going to push on these two pieces, move a little this one out of the way. I need a bigger hole to insert this piece. Alors, we have a small end toward me and I slide the piece. Next, we're going to take this piece and position the piece here like that. No, just rotate the puzzle, push a few on this one, should go really easy. Next, I'm going to take the puzzle like that. You can take puzzle this way or this way for this piece, and does not matter. Okay, we're going just slide the piece and after pull the piece to the right. Now I'm going to turn the puzzle and I'm going to place the last piece. Okay, slide the piece and that's it. That's the way to solve this heart-shaped wooden Burr puzzle. If you like a puzzle, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and until my next video, you can watch the video on the screen.